If your fridge is as stuffed today as your belly was yesterday, I'm guessing you're going to be eating lots of leftovers. So let me show you a way to jazz them up. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. If your fridge is as stuffed today as your belly was yesterday, then I'm guessing leftovers are on the menu at your house for the next couple of days. And rather than just serving them as is, I've got an idea that I think everyone's going to love. The first thing we do is split a package of either sweet Hawaiian rolls or heat and serve rolls in half like this. Then we slather them with some mayo that we mix with some leftover cranberry sauce. Now we pile on some turkey. That can be leftover breast that we slice or dark meat that we pulled off the bone. Next goes a layer of stuffing. You want to sort of crumble it as you're putting it on. And since this cranberry mayo is so good, we'll spread it over this side, put it on top, cover it, and bake it off. It's the perfect treat after a day of Black Friday shopping. Just imagine serving this with some leftover gravy for Dunkin'. With each bite of our Turkey Day leftover sliders, you get all the heartiness of a Thanksgiving Day feast with the ease of a grab-and-go slider. And yes, the recipe's online now. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a leftoverlicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.